Welcome back, everybody. I'm still in South Carolina. I actually drove 2 hours up from Charleston to where I am now, Myrtle Beach. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Julia, and I've been living my minivan pretty much full-time since mid-October. After spending the past 3 months escaping the cold northern winters in Florida, I have finally crossed into my 9th state of South Carolina. My goal with van life is to hit all US states and national parks over the next few years, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to follow along. Okay, back to the video. I am back with another recipe of the week. I think with the warmer weather, I've been seeing a lot of people kind of do this recipe, like going on little picnics and stuff, but today I am making a cucumber sandwich. You're gonna see what it is, but if you don't know what it is, it's like, I think really common in the UK, like they have it at their afternoon teas. I've had one before when I was there. I'm gonna make it for myself today, using white bread, cucumber, and this cream cheese that has garlic and herbs in it. And I'm also having peaches for dessert. Yum. I don't know. Feels summery today. That was super simple to make. I don't know. I'm gonna probably have a few of these, but I don't know. I think it's something fun and different to make. But this is my lunch. Do I look tired? Taylor's new album came out last night. Well, it's a double album, so really 2 albums in a way came out last night. So I didn't sleep until 4 a.m. and I woke up early today, before 6 a.m. to bring my car to the mechanic. Basically all the problems I was having fixed. They were supposed to be done at like 10:30. It is like almost 2:30 now. And I was planning on visiting Congaree National Park today. Not happening, but I'm still making the drive over there because I've been in Myrtle Beach for 2 weeks now. 6th National Park of Van Life, Congaree. Now that I'm here, I'm just going to be checking out the visitor center and walking some trails here in the park. I'm not going to lie, guys, this has definitely been the most underwhelming national park I've visited so far. If you're looking for a relaxing nature walk, you'll get that here, but I think it's really tough for Congaree to really live up to that national park name. Still a cute place though. I got off the boardwalk trail to do a bigger loop in the park. Definitely less crowded than the boardwalk. Oh my gosh. And there's a lot of bugs. Keep that in mind if you visit. So one thing I'm not doing that I did want to do here was a kayaking tour because it is out of the budget. It's about $80 or so. But if you have the money for that and the time, I would definitely check that out. Now that I'm done walking, it is lunchtime. Coming along nicely. Then I'm gonna top that with some cilantro and green onions. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, the noodles are like super stuck together. Whoops. Oh my gosh, it's all sriracha. But that is good. Yay. But yeah, with that, guys, this video is done. Probably another short one, sorry. I'm actually gonna start my next video right after filming this and cleaning up a bit. But yeah, thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.